up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So happy to have you. Today we're going to be talking about what I pack for my airport carry-on. So the next trip is actually going to be to Houston, Texas, so that will be by plane. That's my hometown in case you guys didn't know, and the rodeo's in town, which is really exciting, and I also want to show you guys the city, so look out for that video. It should be coming up within the next couple of weeks or so. So yeah, I'm really excited about it, and if you want to see what I packed in my airport carry-on, keep on watching. I haven't found the one yet, so I'm using Victoria's Secret tote bags as my carry-on, and I have to have the ones with the zippers because no one wants their stuff sliding up and down the plane. I also like to bring an extra outfit just in case my luggage gets lost, and of course a pair of socks because no one wants their feet touching the TSA ground where all the other feet have been. That's absolutely disgusting. Hashtag ew. As far as electronics go, of course I'm going to bring my camera, my phone, my chargers, and I have to have my Beats. I'm not even doing the earbuds anymore because of crying babies. So I want to tune out any and everything that I can, and that's why I use noise canceling headphones. Most of the things that are in my purse are also going to be in my carry-on, like my wallet. I have to have my IDs, credit cards, debit cards, all the cards, any card, membership cards, you know. And after I'm done listening to the same 10 songs, because I forgot to download half of them before I got on the plane, I usually resort to reading a good book or I'll write in my journal. Even though nowadays it seems like you can't bring anything with you on the plane, you can bring packaged snacks, which is something I do like to pack because a sandwich is how much nowadays at the airport? Right. Yeah, bring your snacks, guys. And of course I have to bring my toiletries. The same reasons that I bring extra clothes are also the same reasons that I would bring toiletries, and you never know when you might catch a headache or whatever the case may be. Also, for those of you who have full-size medications that are liquid, you can bring those through the airport, but you do have to go through extra screening. I also like to bring my teddy bear for when the ride gets bumpy. Don't want to grab the person next to me that I probably don't know, so it's nice to have a teddy bear to grab onto instead. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In the description bar below, there is a link to my website that's going to bring you guys to a free, downloadable, and printable checklist. It's just a simple gift from me to you to keep your packing organized and travel running smoothly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a travel vlog or travel tip from me. And until next time, keep on traveling, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye!